So we're going to take a deep breath in through the nose, remembering that this is your practice and seeing how it's feeling. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Joanna, and today I'm headed to test out gentle yoga. Gentle yoga is supposed to be a little more restorative and a little more relaxing, so I'm really interested as a yogi to see how it's different from my usual power vinyasa flow. I'm headed to meet up with Drew Kindred at Integral Yoga and see what this is all about. Hi, I'm Joanna.
Oh, welcome. My name is Drew. Welcome to Integral. Are you ready to do some yoga?
I am.
Okay, great. Let's go upstairs.
Awesome.
Yoga decreases stress. By deepening the breath, the mind gets to calm down, so you can also learn how to relax, which a lot of people surprisingly don't know how to do. Hi. Well, good morning. So gentle yoga, we move a little bit slower through each pose. It's similar to a regular yoga class we do at Integral, but it's modified to certain conditions if you have. If you're very stiff, you do a lot of breath work, and we also focus on relaxation, which can get you into the parasympathetic nervous system. It's the rest and digest. So you're not gripping your muscles, so the muscles get an opportunity to stretch.
Do you think gentle yoga is just for people with special conditions, or is it something for everybody?
Really, anybody can do yoga, really honestly, as long as you're breathing. If you've got a hectic job, a gentle yoga class might be exactly what you need. So how are you feeling? Is there anything going on? What's going on in your body today?
So I woke up this morning feeling really stiff, especially in my hips. I've got a lot of tension. Is that something that we can work on with this practice?
Yes, we're going to do resting butterfly, and it helps release the hips and open them up. So let's go and get our props.
Great.
See if you can roll the shoulders down and gliding the shoulder blades together. You can feel the breath rise and fall against the mat. That can be a very nice anchor for the mind. Nice. And go ahead and turn the cheek to the other side. So both sides of the neck get just a nice stretch. You can just focus on breathing in and breathing out, just reducing the stress level, right? It's good to keep the backs of the legs, the hamstrings stretched. Good, listening to your body. That is the yoga practice, is listening. Good, let's slowly and smoothly come out. The mind is probably the hardest thing to tame, right? The body, the breath, but then the mind. Is my mind wandering? Is it telling me things that are not necessarily true? Namaste.
I feel good. I feel a lot better than I did an hour ago, that's for sure. I actually didn't realize how stiff I was. A lot of the yoga I do is power flow and vinyasa and heated, so it was actually really nice to branch out and take myself through a level of stillness that I don't usually get to appreciate.
Thank you so much. It was so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Such a wonderful practice. I'll see
Great.
you again soon.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So I just left Integral Yoga and I had an amazing time. The fact that Drew gave me permission to really sit into those poses and focus on the breath and centering myself rather than pushing hard through the power of the poses kind of changed my perception on what my type of yoga practice can be. So I'm really excited to incorporate gentle yoga into the rest of my routine, and I hope that you give it a try too. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.
Favorite pose was anything lying down.